Hello and welcome to yet another exciting video on weight loss. Today I will tell you about a very fun full body workout for beginners at home. It might be low intensity, but I'm sure it's equally effective because the key here is to be consistent in your weight or to even start losing weight. The key is consistency and to be persistent. So let's begin these 5 simple, easy and effective exercises which are simply amazing. To combat your full body fat, I have come up with a very easy and effective beginner's exercise regime which you must follow every single day. If you do it early in the morning, first thing upon waking up, that's the best thing to do. Now let's begin with the first exercise. All you have to do is juggle from one side to the other with your feet like this, and let's involve the hands too. It's very easy and it's also working your arms and legs together. Also, it's engaging your mind, so you're not going to get bored. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more, which you can do later. So for this exercise, you can do about 10 reps into 2 sets each. Now let's move on to the next exercise. The next exercise is very simple. All you have to do is stretch your arms up and your leg. As you can see, this is very good for the legs, the glute, the hamstrings, and also for the full body because it's a good hand and leg coordination. So for all those people who are either recovering from an injury or have just given birth to a child, firstly congratulations, and secondly get on with the exercises. As you can see, I have already started 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So again, this exercise is very effective for a full body workout. Now moving on to the next exercise, but first let me know in the comment section which one did you enjoy more, the first or the second. Moving on to the third exercise. For the third exercise, you just have to lift your legs up like this. So we are trying to push in our glutes, keeping our back straight, but what about involving some hand movement as well? So this is a very good chest, arms and legs workout. So when I'm lifting my leg, I'm actually pushing my glutes in. I'm tucking my tummy, my glutes, and also tightening my legs. How effective is that going to be? And super easy. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. With this, we come to the end of the third exercise. How quick was that? So let me know in the comment section 1, 2 or 3. Which one of the 3 exercises did you enjoy the most? The fourth exercise is also very easy. You have to keep your leg shoulder width apart and we'll do squatting. Very easy and very simple. You're not going to go all the way down, but we're going to do half a squat, about like this. And then we're going to kick. Squat and kick, squat and kick. Namaste, and let's get with it. So for all those who are looking to lose full body fat and don't know where to go, is the right time to subscribe to this channel, because for easy, simple and effective weight loss tips, exercises, I'm going to show it to you all. There you go. So we're nearly done. If you want, you can do about 10 more reps of this into 2 sets. Suit yourself. As you can see, I'm already panting. That means my heart rate has come up and I've already started burning the calories. So this exercise is actually very effective for you if you want to reduce your full body fat, including your abdominal fat. Now this is a very stubborn fat which can actually affect your heart health directly. So let's move on to the next exercise and let me know in the comment section which one of the top 4 exercises you enjoyed the most. So let's together do the fifth exercise and lose all that side bulge and fat. It's very effective. You just have to do this. Maintain your body balance and lift your knee as high as you can because you're a beginner, to your convenience, and later on you can graduate to lifting it all the way up to your chest. That's it. You just have to touch your elbow to your knee and exhale when you're bending. It's very easy and effective. See you again with many more weight loss videos coming up soon.